For decades, airplanes relied on piston engines and propellers. Pilots had gotten used to the sounds and struggles of these planes. But then, something revolutionary happened, saving them from such struggles. The transition to jet power wasn't smooth. Pilots had to get used to the new sounds and challenges of these powerful machines. But behind this there were brilliant engineers who dared to push the boundaries of aviation. Among them were Hans von Ohain from Germany and Frank Whittle from the United Kingdom, two pioneers who independently developed the world's first working jet engines. Whittle designed and patented his concept as early as 1930, but it wasn't until 1937 that his first working turbojet engine was tested. Meanwhile, von Ohain successfully ran his own engine in 1937, and just 2 years later, his design would power the first ever jet aircraft flight. Now, before I reveal the names of these historic planes, let's listen to these sounds. Do they sound familiar? Don't be surprised by the plane in the black and white video producing a sound similar to our modern fighters. Yes, your eyes are not lying to you. They are both running on jet engines. One of what you have just seen is one of the world's first jet engine-powered aircraft. But before I dive deeper into its story, consider subscribing if this is your first time on the channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to like the video. This is Invention He, your channel for uncovering history linked with technology topics. The first jet-powered aircraft was the Heinkel He, built in Germany. It took its first flight on August 27, 1939, marking the world's first successful jet flight. Designed by Ernst Heinkel's team, this aircraft was a private project meant to showcase the potential of jet engine. However, the German military wasn't convinced at the time, and the He-178 remained an experimental prototype, never entering production. The second jet aircraft was the Gloster E.28, developed in the United Kingdom. It first took flight on May 15, 1941, and became Britain's first jet-powered aircraft. Built to test Frank Whittle's turbojet engine, it proved that jet engine was practical and led to the development of Britain's first operational jet fighter, the Gloster Meteor. Just imagine, it was built to test an engine, but today, it rules the aviation industry. These two nations, Britain and Germany, independently developed the first jet planes. While Germany's Heinkel He-178 was the first to fly, Britain's Gloster E.28 was the first Allied jet aircraft, paving the way for modern jet-powered aviation. So, why was the jet engine invented? The simple answer is the piston engine aircraft had reached their limits. They struggled to fly faster or at higher altitudes, and military forces needed something far more advanced. The answer was jet engine, offering higher speeds, better high-altitude performance, and greater maneuverability. This breakthrough didn't just change military aviation, it shaped the future of air travel as we know it. And that's how the jet age began. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and share it with others who love aviation history. Also, let me know in the comments which of these two planes do you think had a bigger impact on modern aviation. I'd love to hear your thoughts.